Now class third C. Class third C. Subject GSC date 14/10/2020. And we are studying here lesson 14 changing weather. Lesson 14 changing weather. Changing weather. Changing weather. So in this lesson we are reading what makes the weather. Weather keeps changing, and weather and safety, weather safe life, weather and comfort. Now, pleasant weather. Pleasant weather. We are studying the pleasant weather. So, pleasant weather helps almost all activities of our life. It is good for travel, sports, picnics, and all other works, studies, games, and environment can be enjoyed in good weather. Everything, in fact, goes on nicely in our present weather. Besides, our food, drinks, clothes, and several other activities are affected by weather. Sudden changes in weather to affect our life a lot. So, in the pleasant weather, we can do almost all the activities very nicely. So, in this, after the end of the lesson, what have you learned? What have you learned? So, first, weather changes all the time. First one, weather changes all the time. Next, weather depends upon the sun, the wind, the clouds, and the rain. These are the factors which affects on the weather. What are the factors? Sun, wind, cloud, and the rain. Now next, the sun and the wind play important role in causing changes in weather. The sun and the wind play important role in causing changes in weather. And next, there are mainly 5 seasons. There are mainly 5 seasons: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. So, what are these 5 seasons? Summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. These are the 5 seasons. We change our habits and ways of living to suit a particular weather. We change our habits and ways of living we change our habits and ways of living to suit a particular weather. Now next, weather influences our day-to-day life, and stormy and foggy weather are always risky. Stormy and foggy weather are always risky. And after that, more to know. This is the more to know. Next one is the more to know. So weather is always changing. Why? Because air is always changing. So weather is always changing because air is always changing. Next, wind can come from any direction. Wind can come from any direction. When we study weather, we need to know what direction the wind is blowing. So wind can come from any direction. When we study weather, we need to know what direction the wind is blowing. We have to know the direction of wind blowing. Weather scientists can tell us beforehand if there is going to be a change in the weather. This is called weather forecast. Weather forecasting we can listen by in the newspaper or the TV. Weather forecasting. So in the 24 hours, next 24 hours, there may be heavy rain or the storms may come. This is the weather forecast. Monsoon Ram, that is called near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya state, receives the maximum rainfall in the world. Before we knowing about that Cherrapunji received the maximum rain, but now another name Monsoon, and its word is Manisram. That is found near the Cherrapunji. It is found in the Meghalaya state, received the maximum rainfall in the world. So after that, some word powers. Word power is also given. So you read the word power. Word power. Storm. First one, the storm. Strong wind into rain or hailstones. This is called the storm. And Loo, hard winds during the summer is called as the Loo. Fog, a thick cloud near the earth's surface is called as the fog. So a thick cloud near the earth's surface is called as the fog, and that is the flood. Next, flood, overflow of a large amount of the water over land. Overflow of a large amount of the water over land is called as the flood. So these are the word powers. So 4 you have to learn: storm, Loo, fog, and the flood. And once again, more to know. Weather is always changing because air is always changing. Wind can come from any direction. When we study weather, we need to know what direction the wind is blowing. Weather scientists can tell us beforehand if there is going to be a change in the weather. This is called weather forecast. So that's for today only, and next time we will start the solving the worksheet 14. So till that time you try to solve the worksheet, fill the blanks yourself, and next day we will solve the worksheet 14. Thank you, that's for today.